now and a MiG-21. They took them out to Groom Lake. They shared them with us. And a program was born out there in Area 51. Program that I know. Did you see that? I know.
It can be a while.
The test pilots figured it out. They brought it all together, and of course our kill ratio, once we exploit, it's a redesigned version of a Rolls-Royce engine. There he is. So those test pilots figured it all out. The primary enemy aircraft engaged in the skies over Vietnam, running after the A4, the A7, the B-52 like we've got parked back there, and of course the F4 Phantom. This was their as he pulls out of that burner pass. Figured it all out back in the day with his antenna designs. He's rated in an L-29, the MiG-15, the MiG-17, the T-33, and for good measure, the B-17. I didn't see that one coming.
No kidding. 2 years of his life in the air. What?
57. He really likes this stuff, doesn't he? Good.
By the way, this is not like COVID. If you see a mask like Bill's wearing and it's not quite over his nose, you don't have to point it out.
There he goes. There.